Hello. Welcome. It's the first day still of 2023. I'm the most banned oatmeal in the world. I'm gonna do this video again. I made a bunch of videos last year on Joey 7, which was suspended last year. This time, I'm gonna do it all in one video. I'm gonna go through the whole entire alphabet and I'm gonna try to say each sound that I can think of associated with each letter. And then you can download this video and edit this video and make me say anything you want. I'm Oatmeal Joey Arnold. 2023 1/1 Sunday. We're gonna go through all 26 letters of the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, all the way to Z in order. And I'll include the letters on screen so you know where to find each sound and letter, so you can maybe make me say stuff, anything you want. If you want to totally mess with me and stuff and try to fool people or whatever you want to do, mess me up and stuff. Starting now. A, U, O, A, ah, ah, A, I, E, I, B, B, ba, B, 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 ba, 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 ka, 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 D, D, letter D, da, 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 t, da, 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 D, da, da, da. That's all I can think of. Da. E, I'm fat. Not funny. Not funny at all. I think it's funny. I think I look better with a beard. Oh my god. E, U, E, eat, Pete, read, seat, meet, leet. I gotta be careful with the words I say. YouTube and TikTok, a lot of websites, ban a lot of words without telling you that they tell you that it's too late. F, F, ban, for, fu, F, 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 fa, 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 fu, fu, fa, fa, fu, fu, fa, fa, fe, fa, fu, fa, fu, 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 fa, fa, fu, fa, 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 ba, 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 ba. Not v, but v. Not ba, v. Letter F, v, v. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Letter G, G, H, 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 Ho, Ha, Ho, Hey, Ho, Ha, Hu, 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 He, Ha, Ha, Hu, Ha, Hey, Ho, Ha, Hu, He, Ha, Hu. What else is there? Horny, Hana, Honda, Harry, Har, Huh, Ho, Oh, Ha, Ha, letter H, Huh, Ha, 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 Ho, Ho, Hey, Hey, He, Ha, Ha, He, Hi. I, 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 it is, I'd, I'll, ill, I, 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 a, I, j, j, ja, Joey, ja, Jew, Jan, Jane, Joan, j, j, ja, ga, not ga, j, ja, Ju, Joe, Jim, Jewel, ja, Jelly, John, Jane, Jojo, Gugu, K, Ka, Ka. Please download this video before YouTube deletes this video and sends me again. My 40 plus channels down the drain. Oh my god, all this work, 30-40 years worth of work. Videos going back to at least the 1990s. Oatmeal Joey Arnold world. Oh my god, most banned oatmeal in the world. Oatmeal Joey Arnold at Joey on the VN. Download his videos and everything else that he got. See, it's content before it's gone forever. This is not a commercial or an ad like Total Battle and Hero Wars that you always see. Oh my god, is it a real game? Of course it is. K, K, letter K, K, Do you hear an echo? Am I going crazy? Why am I doing this video? Is this Sesame Street all over again? Why was it trending on Facebook? I mean, Twitter a little bit ago. Not too long ago. I don't know. K. Why are you watching this video? Anyways, it's all the boringest video ever. If you're watching this video, you're a freak. Please don't edit this video. Any of the letters, I'll hate you forever and love you forever. I hate you, love you. You could be my wife. You could be my trailblazer. L, la, lay, la. Wait, no, it's not Mexican language. It's not Mexican. La, lay, lo, la, lu, lu, la, lu, nano, nunu, go. No, not go. What am I thinking? I'm trying to see. Is there anything else I can do with the letter L? No, it's like self-explanatory. La, lo, lay, li, lu, la, lo, li, le, lin, lo, lay, la, lu, la, m, ma, me, mo, ma, me, mine, moon, almost, most, ma, maybe, mo, ma, n, no, na, ne, no, ne, na, no, ni, no, na, ni, ne, no, na, no, ni, na, ni, na, no, ne, na, n, o, ooh, ooh, food, good, God, God, got, ooh. Ah, ooh, a, oh, ah, ooh, ooh, ooh. What else is there? Ooh, 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 ooh. Who's at the door? I don't know. Who let the dogs out? Who, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, 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 oh. P, p, pa, p, p, p. Phá, phú, phê, phê. PS, ph, philosophy, ph, phi, phê, phê, phô, phô, phàm. Phone, phone, telephone, telephone, phone, p, pa, phô, phô. P, pay, pay, pay. P, plan, p, pa, pot, p, pots and pans is what I'm saying. I'm not gonna say anything about 420 because YouTube does not allow it. Yeah, p, peen, pay, p, pie, 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 p, 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 pa, 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 p, 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 ooh, p, 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 q, q, ki, ka, ku, 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 ko, 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 ku, ku, qua, ku, qua, qua, ku, queen, quack, qual, qual, quare, quare, qual, quirk, quick, quick, quark, cook, cook, quinn, queen, quan, could, kun, kun, cook, cook, k, qua, qua. It's kind of like a cu sound. Ku, ka, ku, k, k, ka, ki, ki, ku, qua, ku, kua. That's all I can think of. Qua. R, 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 Spanish. R. Why didn't I say Spanish earlier in this video? R, r, rick, 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 ren, Rome, Rone, Roni, Ron, Rune, Rain, Raw, Ru, Rum, Ron, Ral, Ray, Ray, from Star Wars, Rill, Really, Ra, Ra, Ru, Ra, Ray, Ru, Roboto, Roboto, R, 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 Ray, Ro, Re, Ra, Run, Re, Ra, Ray, Ru, from, Crum, Lum, Serum, Barum, Barum, Kurum, Turum, Soon, Room, Wom, Wrench, Runch, Rum, Ray. I could try to like say a bunch of words. Actually, the point of this video was not that I would say a bunch of words, but then I decided I'm gonna say a few words. Like oatmeal's a band, so band. AI and fact checkers for other countries and even America too are gonna flag this video on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere, all the websites, all the other websites out there too. Every website this video may be on. And flag it and delete this video, so you better delete it. Don't delete it. Download it and save it. So because it may be gone and then maybe I'll die or get killed or something. Please don't delete this video. Please, YouTube. Susie, I love you. I want to be your lover. Water. Peter. The word is a bird. The word is the bird. Don't you know the bird is a word and the word is a bird? S, sh, sa. Say, so, sin, sa, Su, soon, see, say, sa, see, we got to do some other sounds too. Sh, s, sh, sh. This one's hard to say. Seat. No, I did not say it. I said it wrong. I said a bad word. I've always had this problem. People made fun of me when I was little, and they would try to make me say some words because they knew I would say it wrongly. Some of these words I would say wrongly, purposely or not. I mean, sometimes it's very hard to say some things. So it's like CAs, SAs. What am I saying? SAs, but also CAs. Sh. Charlie, sheen. Yeah, I could probably try a couple times to try to say it correctly. If I try really, really hard, I might say it a little bit recognizable. If I try to talk quickly, I can skip over some of the sounds, and hopefully people don't miss it and figure it out by filling in the blanks, kind of thing. It's difficult because I was partly deaf when I was young. First few years or so, and then I started getting better, and I had hearing tubes, and then I started improving a little bit. By the time I was 10, I started getting better, but it was a rough start. The first few years, homeschooled, but a good thing that I was homeschooled, that I was good in Oregon, in the ghetto, and it was good. All good in the hood. Sh. I probably should have started this video over because there's a few sounds, but I'm not here to do combinations, but I'm kind of doing that now. Cheeseburger, church, Chinese. That one's probably not as hard. What else? Cheese. Cheese. I can sort of do it, but I have to concentrate and overemphasize, which is kind of silly and stuff. But, it's like I can do it. I can sort of do it. T, ta, te, to, ti, tune, time, tin, tame, tone, teal, toony, tiny, they're toony, they're all the little loony. Ta, te, ti, ta, tu, t, what, ta, with the, another sound. T, as, the, these, those, that, this, they, them, this, that. Philosophy. Sorry, wrong word. Theology. That's what I was looking for. The, they, than, thy, those, them, these, those, they, the. You, o, yo, put, but, o, e, you, u, e, banana? No, that's not right. Umbrella? Umbrella. Umbrella. O, a, u, v, van. Very, very cool. That's very cool. That's the coolest thing ever. You're cool. You're the coolest thing ever. Maybe I shouldn't have had the subtitle. That might mess with trying to edit this video. So I'm probably doing this video wrong. I should probably do it again without the letters on the screen. This ain't no Sesame Street. V for vendetta. V for vendetta. V. The letter of the day is V. Phone, vein, phone, ban, fire. No, not fire. f fa 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 f f fe fe fa fu fun fun fa fa fe 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 fo. W W W wa 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 we wa 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 way won one want when where when who when where why who what how water water I don't know what else I could say. Wa letter W wa we wo X my ex your ex get the bag. No, just kidding. What am I talking about? YouTube stole over 10,000 videos of mine. I want the back. X Factor. Xylophone. Sex. X. It's a CKS sound, I think. CKX sound makes the X sound. No, is that right? I don't know. Zealand. Why? E-I-E-A-O-U-I-E. Pony. E. Letter Y. Why? E. A-I-E-U-A. E. Young. 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 Z or Z. Zoo. Zebra. Z. Za. Zay. Z. Zo. Za. Zo. Z. And there you have it, all the letters and sounds and everything you can ever imagine. I could be wrong about some of that, maybe I mispronunciate some of the sounds and letters and everything else, and maybe there's more sounds and stuff like African sounds they make in some of their languages in Africa and other countries. Is the earth flat? I don't know. Probably not, but I like to think about that. Imagine other continents beyond the flat earth world that we know of, and maybe there's more, and aliens too. Like, think about some of the sounds they might have, like, in Africa, like the clicking noise there. And I didn't do letters either, but you could probably make the letters out of the sounds I made. I tried to make as many sounds. I tried very hard to make as many sounds as possible so that you can edit them together and make anything you want. Make me say anything. But it may not be good enough, but it has to do. So you better download this video before it's deleted, or you can just move on by. Forget about me. Forget that I ever existed when they suspend more of my channels. That's right. And accounts and everything else that I have on social media, on blockchain, on the emails and websites and everything. Someday you're gonna wake up and I won't be on your favorite website, so you can download my content while you still can. Until next time, I'm OJAWALL.